Hello, wherever you are. Welcome to the Lagos Trader channel for your daily update on the market. I trade Forex and Crypto Market daily. So if you are a day trader or wish to be a day trader, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell button to get notified early when I post new videos. So without much further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with the Euro USD chart. Identify my key zone by drawing the trend line. As you can see, support here, support, support. Now the support has turned resistance, so you can obviously see a rejection here. So market is most likely to trade down now. So how are you going to trade this market? Identify this trend. We can see this swing low, this swing low, this swing low. So then we go into the smaller time frame. I'm on the 4-hourly before, but now on the 15 minutes time frame. So what are we seeing here? This is a bull trend, and now it's slowing down. Which means most likely we are going to turn down now. There's more structure here on the 15 minutes time frame, and obviously I guess it has been broken. So the main question is, how are you supposed to trade this chart just using the price action only? Let's be sure it's well broken. Okay, so once you identify the market structure, you know your resistance, you know your support, all you need to do is trade along your resistance and support, your market structure. What I'll be doing now is most likely wait for this neckline to be broken. This small neckline here, I'll wait for it to be broken, and once this candle close red below this line, I'm going to short this market. That way my stop loss won't be high, it's very close, and if I lose at all, I won't lose much, because you want to take higher profits than you're willing to lose, right? So 1:1.5, that's my first take profit zone. But don't forget there is a big structure here also, and that structure will most likely be broken. Nothing is guaranteed in the market, so this market could come down here, and bounce again, right? And it can break this support line here. You know, there's no line in chart, it's a zone. Once the support zone is broken, I can wait for one candle to close below this line, then I can go short again from this point, putting my stop loss here, right? And can take 1:5 again, 1:1.5 profits ratio, and from there on we can see what's happened the rest of the day. That's how I'm going to trade this Euro USD for now. So we shouldn't waste time. Let's check another chart immediately. The GBP and the GBP USD looks similar with that of the Euro USD, so we'll have similar plan. I think dollar is on fire now, and dollar is very strong, so you just have to trade with what the market is saying, and the market is in for dollar now, and you trade along dollar line. So I'm going to be shorting any other thing and going long on dollar. Here we have its same plan, and for those who prefer to use indicators, let's say we have the moving average and MACD here. Let me bring out the MACD. Okay, So what am I seeing on the MACD on the 15 minutes chart? Yeah, the MACD is supporting to go down, not just because of the MACD line crossing the below the signal line crossing below the MACD line, not because of that. Um, I think on the 4 hour chart, let's check the 4 hour chart. Okay, go back to the 5 minutes chart. What am I saying? Nothing much really. Nothing much. Nothing much. But how about going long? What's in this market will change for me to decide to go long? First of all, well, let's go back to the 4 hourly chart. Let's just check the 4 hourly structure. Is there a trend here? Yeah, there's a trend. And there's a retest here. So what will make me decide to go long if this market break this trend line here? So this resistance, this diagonal resistance is most likely to turn into support. Will most likely turn into support, and unless that condition change, I won't be thinking about going long now. Which means for me to go long, GBP USD need to close above 1.1 to around this range, and close a 4 hourly candle above it for me to think about going long. Even at that, I won't think about going long because if you can check the weekly chart, on the weekly we are still in a big time downtrend, right? And the trend is your friend until the end. Okay, we are seeing rejection signs candles. So any okay, for me to make a major decision, I'll wait for this triangle to be broken. So any direction it's broke into, I'm trading towards that direction. If it break up, I'm trading up, and if it's break down, I'm trading downward. Most likely, I would give it more probability of it breaking downward. So I'll be looking for a short on the GBP USD. This will be similar for USD Japanese yen and most. Okay, yes. For most forex market now, it will be similar because USD is on fire. USD China, USD Swiss franc is a different ball game entirely. So let's get this straight. Okay, these are a different ball game entirely. Let's check it out. Swiss franc is a different game entirely because these are a kind of mini uptrend in on the USD CHF. Although the market is consolidating now, so we can't say which direction it's going to break into. But let's go back to the smaller time frame, the 15 minutes time frame. Let's check it out. What is happening here? A clear uptrend. This is double bottom, and this neckline has been broken. The the neckline here has been broken. So also this small resistance here has been broken. So obviously we're in an uptrend, but I can't just enter into this market. I have to wait for there to be another structure for me to enter from. So let's check the support line here. Okay, If this market could retrace to this line here and then give me a bounce, a rejection candle downward, once it rejects the downward movement and face up, then I know it's time for me to go long. So what I'm going to do here, if this market peradventure make a movement maybe like this, then move to this area here, then give me a bounce, a signal, a bounce here, just any candle, any green candle closing above this trend, above this line after rejection, then my next move will be for me to go long. So it will most likely be something like this, and identifying the structure above here will make me know where to come out of the trade. So I can easily get a 2-to-1 profit ratio here. Draw a trend line for you to know where the structure is most likely to come. Then boom, you get your money out of the market fast. No time to wait. You can see what I'm explaining happened here on the bigger time frame, right? If you're checking more information on the chart, the market bounce away from this structure, bounce away from it here, so it's come back to retest it here. And once you see the rejection candle, let me show you the specific candle that signifies the rejection here. All right, this is the green candle that rejects that trend line, that rejected that trend line. Also, you see a green candle that rejected that trend line. This is a signal for you to enter into the market, right? You would have do something like this. You enter once you get a confirmation of a green candle. You enter into the market, right? Then you would have take your profit around this place, which is like around 1:1.5. That's good enough. Get your money, and you can't take all. You have to leave some on the table. So that's how market works. What else am I seeing here? The MACD. Nothing much really. There's a kind of divergence here for those who like to trade divergence. There's a kind of divergence here, right? There's a divergence, right? On the price action, we have a lower low, and on the MACD, we have a clean higher low. So there are more than two reasons for you to enter into this market. First, the rejection of this bigger trend line, the rejection of this big trend line, right? This trend line here. Let me change the color so it will be more obvious. I'm gonna paint it yellow, right? The rejection of this support and divergence here would have given you more than one reason for you to enter into this market to go long, and this would have been a very easy win for you. But we are not trading backward, we are trading forward. So I just explained the small plan, how you can get into this trend and benefit from it here. But something else could happen. We could get a rejection after this place, back to this trend line again, and you watch for a rejection. Once you can find a rejection here, maybe something like this, most likely. No one can predict the market, but you just have to anticipate what is most likely to happen. If we get something like this, that way also you will get a easy long, right? Very easy, below the structure. Can easily get your 2-to-1, something like that, right? And also you watch out for a rejection candle around this zone, Let me draw that zone out here. Watch for a rejection candle around this zone in order for you to go short. And watch out for a rejection candle around this zone, then you can go short. And a rejection candle around this zone for you to go long. Structure just give you a clearer picture of how to trade the market. That's it. So enough for Forex today. Let's check the crypto market. I will be checking the boss for now. That's the BTC USD chart. Very good. Usually I don't like to trade smaller time frame on the Bitcoin USD chart because the crypto market is very volatile and the market moves very fast compared to traditional markets like Forex indices and co. What can we see in this market? Uh, the picture is not too clear, so we have to go. We have to zoom out. We have to zoom out. We have to check the bigger picture. This is the weekly chart. We are in an obvious downtrend. So let's check out the daily chart. Yeah, there's a consolidation here, but the market is tilted towards the downward part. We are most likely to go down than go up. Although there is a big, huge resistance here. Check it out. There's a huge resistance here. A huge support, sorry, I mean. And this is the resistance. So the game is in this zone for now. Rejection candle, you go up or down, depends on the direction. Rejection of the support, you go up. Rejection of the resistance, you trade down. It's as simple as that. But what am I as a trader? What would be my decision in this zone, in this range? Let's go to the smaller candle to check what we can do immediately. I think I'll be changing this chart. I don't like this chart much. Let's check for example, let's say the Bybit chart. This is more clean. Okay. What I'll do here is to wait for market to react, and I won't be trading this zone because this is a very choppy market, and I don't like choppy markets. I'll be waiting for market to react within this zone. Okay. So once market break this support, I'm going down, and if it's break this resistance, I'm going up. That's just what I can say here. There's nothing much to see here. Sometimes the best decision is to not to make a decision. Although no trade, no gain, but you don't want to trade everything you see. That way you are going to lose more than you can take home. And the rules of the game is not to lose money. Alright? Okay. So let's check Ethereum because of recent Ethereum has been acting as a leading indicator for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin just follow Ethereum like how chicken follows their mom. Okay, nothing special, nothing to see here. Everything tilting towards the down part. We're in a downtrend, obviously. We're in a bear market. And can only trade with the structure that is available for you, right? As long as we continue to reject this trend line, there's no way we are going up. There's no way we are expecting to go bull mode now. We are still in the down trend and the bears are winning. I can just open a blind short market now and short Ethereum now, and I'll have more probability of winning than me going long. So I think that's it for today. If you have any suggestion, like anything you want me to check out, send it to me. I'm going to check it out, and we can all benefit from it together. And if you have anything to add to what I've said, feel free to do so. Comment, like, subscribe if this is interesting for you. And if there's something you want to learn how to go about your trading in the market, just hit me up, message me, comment. I'm going to be reading it. We can see a rejection here, but it's not developed yet. But I'll be here tomorrow to update you about the market anyway. So stay happy, trade, enjoy, don't lose money. Good luck for now. Bye.